welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I have been on a filming marathon today. I think this is my 5th box, which gets me caught up to the end of July, even though it's August. I couldn't find the time to film in the entire month of July, except for that one video that I did going through my sister-in-law's makeup drawer. So yes, today I have the July Boxycharm. I also just unboxed June's Boxyluxe, and that was very disappointing. So hopefully this puts us back on track, because this is my favorite subscription box. It's $25 a month US. It comes every month, and I do pay for these myself. So that's why I get a little opinionated sometimes. So let's see what we have. Oh, and disclaimer. There might be some background noise because I'm filming in a different room today, and my husband is in the next room, and so you might hear him. Maybe that's the only disclaimer, other than sometimes I can be a little nasty if I don't get what I like. Stick around. So yes, this is generally my favorite subscription box. I think it's supposed to be valued at $100 or more. And usually it exceeds that value. So this is the card that will tell us everything that we got. And the theme is fantasy. Oh, that's fun. And then here we have, oh, that's in the pack. So everything's bubble wrap. So let's see what we got. All right. So the first thing I've pulled out is from Outre by Mimi. Got a little tiny font. I'm just gonna say it's Outre by Mimi. 3 8-in-1 CBD multi-purpose nutrient mist and styling aid. So is this for my hair? Fine 3 mists, medium mist, thick. What? Use me third on towel, dried hair everywhere. I don't understand what I'm reading. I apologize. I'm blathering. So I think this is a hair mist. Yep. Let's just open it. Oh, it's got a nice beachy smell. I can't wait to read the product card to see what this actually is. And then next, what's this? From what is that? Mud Masky. This is a vitamin infused eye serum that reduces dark circles. Well, I need that. Also, that's the size of eye serum I like to get. But these little tiny bottles, that is a hunkin' size. How many mils is that? That's 30 mils. Let's see what the consistent. No, I don't want to take it out. So there's that. Nice. All right, next up. Oh, it's from Beauty Bakery. They do have cute packaging. Like one box we got beauty blenders in a little egg carton. And that was so cute. So this is like, it looks like a little packet of brownies or something. It's even got nutritional facts. So this is Better Not Bitter flour. So it's a setting powder. Oh, that's so cute. So nutrition facts, 1 sweetie per serving. It's vegan, 100%, calorie 0, gluten 0, lightweight, yes, mattifying, yes, flashback, no. That's so cute. So, just like a little sack of flour. Really pretty packaging too. So it is in the shade Oat, translucent. So it won't work for everyone, but it'll probably work for me. So that's cute. That's really cute. I love their packaging. I'm a sucker for cute packaging. So there's this. All right, second to last item is from Basic Beauty, and it is a lip oil in the shade Summer. I don't use a lot of lip oils. Just very pretty pink color. Does it have a scent? Oh, it does. It has a really nice sweet scent. Also, that hairspray or whatever it is, it still smells really good. It's got a very nice feel. It's not sticky at all. Very cute, very cute. All right, so our last item looks like it might be an eyeshadow palette. Oh, it's from Illamasqua, whatever it is. Unveiled Artistry Palette, 12 pan eyeshadow. Very nice. So it says, express your individuality. Sorry, I just need a pen to get into this. Yep. Express your individuality and then do other things. With 12 highly pigmented powder eyeshadows in matte, satin, and metallic. Each one delivers a color intense finish, allowing you to create any number of unique nude looks. Oh, it's pink. I wasn't expecting that. Very pretty. I don't have any Illamasqua eyeshadows, so I'm excited to have this. Let's see what the colors are. Oh, it's very nude. So it's got a little mirror on one side, and then the eyeshadow palettes. That's really pretty. That's a really pretty, like, for spring and summer with that kind of yellow. Oh, actually, it's not yellow. This one here is coming off as yellow on the camera, but it's actually just a nude beige color. That's really pretty. Should we swatch it? I have a lot of eyeshadows that look like this. I'm still going to swatch it because I'll probably keep it. So let me do that. Alright, so these are the colors. I'm so bad at taking swatches. The shimmers are really nicely pigmented, and then the mattes aren't as pigmented, but it's a really nice color story. You can make some really nice looks for fall too with this for sure, which is coming up real quick, unfortunately. Actually, I love fall. I just hate what comes after it. So I always try to prolong summer because I hate winter driving. But yeah, that is everything we got in our July Boxycharm. So let me pick my favorites and then I'll find out the prices. Alright, so no surprise, I'm going to pick the eyeshadow palette as my favorite. Then the Beauty Bakery setting powder, and only probably more so because of the packaging, because it's so freaking cute. And then the eye serum, and then the lip oil, and then this, I think, hair treatment thing, but we'll find out in a second. So that is my list of favorites. Did I like this box? It was okay. It was much better than my last Boxy Luxe box, because there was just a lot of stuff in there that I wasn't overly thrilled about. But yeah, let's get the pricing. Alright, so going by our price card, the Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry Palette is $50. The Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder, $24. The Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum, $63. So that's almost, 2.5 times the price of we paid for the box. Okay, so Outre, it said it's 8-in-1 plus CBD leave-in conditioner. So it's leave-in conditioner. So it provides 8 powerful benefits, enhances body and manageability, detangles hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to refresh hair and add shine. $30. And then the Basic Beauty Summer Lip Oil, $18. So even this by itself is almost the price we paid for the box. It always makes me enjoy the box more when the value's higher, but that's just because I'm very frugal and cheap. I'm cheap. So yeah, I like when the value is there. Let me add this up quick. Alright, so for my $25 box, the value was, drum roll, $185. So you can't get much better than that. So I'm very pleased. I do like a nice eye serum, and this one is probably going to last me a heck of a long time. And it's vitamin infused, moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming. And it's got a nice little orange on it. If it smells like orange, is even better. So yeah, that was my July Fantasy Boxycharm. And I was pleasantly surprised. Well, not pleasantly surprised, because I'm usually loving the box. So I liked it. I hope you liked this video. And thank you for watching. And if you would like, you can click here to subscribe or to go to my channel. You can click like down below, and there's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. And hopefully the next time I have to film, I'll be back in front of my bookcases, but who knows? Maybe, maybe not. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.